Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope always are fan. n.SSign is Doha Saxe on the Shinkansen, a unique interview just before debut in Japan. Debut in Japan as n.SSign, which was born from the education program session star well finally make its debut in Japan with the single New Star on November 29th. Even though the haven't debuted yet, they are currently attracting a lot attention as the excited 24,000 people at Arika Arena 2 days, November 11th and 12th in Tokyo ahead. Please viewer subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further information, and like my video and share my video social media Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you everyone for watching my video and like my